Kamiti ya KIGIINA mbungeni nene nendekithitie Arimu Ba Jss kugairwa kigina kia kumandikana kandarathi ya PNP kiri bajeti ya mwaka wa 2024 kuthi mwaka wa 2025. Mukarigiti wa kamiti ino NDINDI augite kuri na obatu wa thirikari kuraitha mabataro ma arimu mamanontu nimethiritwe makiruta wira mwega mumu na ukonekana. Ne mukarigiti wa kamiti ya kithomo Julius Mary na bithurite nkuruki ya bilioni 29 ni gutumika kiri shukuru cia JSS na cio bilioni 3 igatumika kiri mubango wa kurumia arutwa irio. Anthony Kadinya ari nacio.
Mwekali twa kamiti obangani bwa KIGIINA ya bunge nene NDINDI NYORO akaleka gitakala kamiti eno ikutikagire mendekithia ma KIGIINA kira ikwendekithio ni kamiti ya kithomo ya bungo eno kenda gwitithia na mbere mathomo. NDINDI aliwa kamiti eno enda KIGIINA kira gigatengwa kiri mathomo ma junior secondary schools kurungamira kwandikwa kwa Arimu Ba Jss.
We have JSS teachers. The first batch was 26,000. The second batch was 20,000. This budget committee would want a situation where we hire on permanent and pensionable, not the 26,000, but the 46,000. How much would it cost to hire on PNP all the JSS teachers, because that is the spirit of this committee? We would want you to give us the cost, because it is the spirit of the budget committee that these people have endured enough. They have given their time. They have sacrificed for the country. I think it is fair that we also give them back what deserves to them.
That we need sufficient human capital. We need teachers to be employed. And these teachers, their salaries should be increased as just the way you proposed.
Kulingana na mwekali twa kamiti ya kithomo Julius Mary, Kuthangikira Arimu Ba Jss 2026 ni bakwandikwa kira gikwendekana ni kigina kia bilioni 28
JSS teachers, and I want to plead with this committee that to employ 46,000 teachers you only need, I'm saying only because we are having a budget of 3.something trillion, 28.6 billion. Currently you are provided for about 20,000. But if you can give
20, how much have you provided so far?
So far you have provided 8.3 billion. And for PNP and 4.7 for interns. So if we can say we don't want to take in interns this year, for example, then you only need 13 billion. So you'll add only 14.6 billion, and every 46,000 teachers will be taken in.
Amwe nogu kamiti ene obangane bwa KIGIINA ya NDINDI NYORO ilenda kigina kiiganu gutonga kire mathomo maskuru jegoro.
Supposing there is no supplementary budget, how much money is needed on top of what you've already allocated to run higher education without interruption? Higher education meaning ongoing students, and first years will be joining from September going forward. How much money is needed?
Universities, assuming also that we don't need supplementaries, you will require 43 billion for continuing and ongoing students, knowing that we have two funding formulas: differentiated unit costs and the new funding formula, which we are banding students in 5 banding areas.
Kamiti ene obangane bwa KIGIINA kithija na mbere kwendekithia kigina kiiganu gutengwa kiri mubango gutigira skuru jinero bya kwigana. Kamiti ya kithomo nene lithite kigina kire kwendekana ne bilioni 3.
We have had floods. Before floods we had famine. We have had issues that are beyond our control. And therefore, there are Kenyans who need to be supported to actually be in school. So if you have to make a balance that will go through the long haul of the financial year, how much money is needed for school feeding program?
School feeding for all school days and to cover everything. Last year we had 4.9 billion for the whole year. So We have gotten 2 billion, maybe now you need to cover the rest. So you need 3 billion more. We need 3 billion more for that. Then
kamiti ene ya kithomo yendekithitie bilioni 642 kuthikirwa ang'iro wa kithomo kurungamira mendekithia nkurani mara makwendekana. Kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.